Welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're doing Leetcode 141, linked list cycle. Just don't even read the instructions, they're just more confusing than anything. We're giving a linked list, and then we have to see if there's a cycle in the list. That means from one node, we go back to an earlier node. The way to do this really easily is to use two pointers, fast and slow pointer. You say fast equals head, slow will also be equal to head, while fast and fast.next. That means the current node is not null, or the next one is not null. Well, that's the case, we can move slow over by 1. So the slow pointer is going to move over 1. So we get slow equals to slow.next. And the fast pointer will equal to fast.next.next. So the slow pointer will be moving over by 1. If there's like a cycle, eventually the fast pointer will catch up with the slow pointer because it's moving twice as fast. So we could see if slow equals fast, we could return true. But if that's not the case, we just return false. Yeah, the question is difficult for no reason, like the description, but it's a really easy question. So we'll run it and then we pass it. If this helped you in any way, please leave a like and subscribe.